This is the Benu Chameleon fountain pen. It comes in a cardboard box. It has the Benu logo on the top, and that box lid lifts off. The pen is in a small cardboard tube with the Benu logo. That opens from the side, and you just slide the pen out. And this is the Benu Chameleon fountain pen. It has a unique shape. Somewhat of a cigar shape, but it has the flattened sides on the pen. If you look at it from the end, it's basically got like 6 sides to the pen, 3 of the smaller and 3 bigger sides. They each have a slight curvature to it as well. The Benu logo is on the center of the pen, and there's a black ring with some stripes in the center of it. And it has a unique resin with these silver sparkles encased in a resin that has multiple colors. There's a black and a turquoise and a purple. And they call it the chameleon because as you change the angle of the pen with the lighting, it'll actually change colors on you and look a little different. Kind of a unique design, unique material that they've used. The cap is threaded and unscrews. You can post that cap on the end of the barrel of the pen, and it has a black resin section with a stainless steel nib. It is a cartridge converter fountain pen, so that section unscrews, and there is an ink converter included with the pen for bottle inks. It will also take a standard international ink cartridge if you want to use cartridges as well. They're made in Russia. Just an interesting, unique design. Get your Benu Chameleon fountain pen at penchalet.com.